there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a highland cow. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the highland cow. I'm starting with its head. Now I'm drawing its nose. Here's its mouth. It's looking like a tiny heart shape. Here's its eyes. Now let's draw two tiny ears. Now I'm drawing its big horn. Now let's draw its body. This is its leg. This is another one. Here is the other one. And this is the final one. My drawing is done. Now let's do the outline. I'm using my black pen to do the outline. Now let's clean all the extra pencil marks. I'm using my black pen again. For the coloring, I'm using a yellow-orange color. Now I'm using my orange pencil. For its ear and face, I'm using my brown pencil. And I'm using a tiny pale orange pencil. I'm using the same brown pencil again. Now for the rest, I'm using my orange pencil. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.